Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Once again, this is a follow-up video for Anaheim Hills, California. And we're gonna work our way into the first bedroom, the master bedroom, and we're gonna show you guys what Sal's doing. Good morning, Sal. Good morning. Okay, so this is a follow-up video for you guys to see here in Anaheim Hills. It's a 2-story house. We're just doing the bathroom remodels. So can you tell the audience what you're doing right here?
Well, right now we're just laying out the tile on the walls.
Okay.
We're just getting ready to continue doing the walls.
Okay.
We're doing this 12 by 24
Okay.
on the walls.
And what's that thing that you spread on the back? It's like glue, right?
Vincent.
That's how it grabs to the wall?
Yeah, that's why it sticks to the wall.
Okay, for the
we
people that don't know.
We try to butter every tile when we do it.
And that's tile?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So Saul's here in progress with the master bathroom remodel, and he's laying down the tile. It's gonna take a while to dry, so he's putting it nice and precise for you guys to see.
We use these clips to avoid the leakage between the tiles.
Okay.
So that will.
It keeps it straight too, right? It makes it.
Well, the walls are perfectly level, like you see. Everything has concrete.
Okay.
So this is what the owner chose on their alignment for the walls. They
Yes.
have foam boards and backer boards and other stuff.
Okay.
But this owner chose to use concrete on all the walls. So basically, all the walls have concrete. They're being floated.
Okay.
Perfectly level. So we'll do that even on the floor. Same thing on the floor.
Can you rip that out a little bit so we can see the flooring? Look how beautiful Sal made the floor look, guys. He's part of the Horizon crew, so he does a phenomenal job.
So
Beautiful. And it's still drying, or is it dry?
No, it's dry already.
So we can stand on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can step on anything. So
Okay.
basically we concrete the floors so we can have perfectly level. So, so you see.
Is this gonna match the other restroom?
Yeah, it's exactly the same thing. Everything.
Nice.
Layout and everything.
Okay, so it's perfectly
This
cohesive.
is what the owner chose.
Uh-huh.
This is the layout they wanted.
Okay.
We give them the options for several layouts. This
Okay.
is what they wanted. They wanted to show up the bigness of the pieces.
Okay.
So basically they have 2 pieces there.
Okay.
Same thing on the wall. They wanted to have this layout. They wanted to show up that they want bigger pieces.
Okay.
So that's why we have 3 perfectly big pieces on the wall going all the way up.
Okay.
That's our ground lines. We measure for the ground lines to go perfectly around the window.
Okay.
So they look a lot better.
And that area that you were starting out, that's gonna be the shower area, right? It's a stand-in shower, so?
Shower area right here.
Uh-huh.
This is where I have the little tiles on the floor. We're
Okay.
still working on that. This will be the next, right here's gonna be our shower door,
So-
the last area.
I'm assuming frameless glass, modern?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. And then what's that room? So
This is like the toilet area.
toilet area. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is gonna be like the countertop for the faucet.
Here, right here.
His and hers probably.
Yes.
And then a mirror. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So that's gonna wrap it up for this restroom, guys. Thank you so for your time.
Thank you.
And then we'll see you guys in the final video when he's done, okay?